What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So the LG V60 is one of my favorite phones when it comes down to cameras. And one of my most requested videos coming out of the LG community is, can I do a side-by-side comparison between the LG V60 and Gcam? So I went in the LG community and I asked them, could they give me a good version of Gcam? Here it is. And as you can see, bare bones Gcam with portrait mode and night sight. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys some Gcam footage and some regular camera footage and come back and give you my thoughts. Let's get into it. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
So I hope you enjoyed the footage that you just saw coming from the LG V60 and Gcam. So here's my thoughts. Look, first, some of the footage coming out of Gcam was really good in detail, but it was very inconsistent. The portrait mode on this version of Gcam that I use doesn't work. And it blows out the highlights and it has no background blur and no depth of field. So the portrait mode on this device with the Gcam that I'm using, portrait mode doesn't work. Some of the photos in Gcam, the background had a reddish hue in the sky. That doesn't look that good, especially, taking some normal footage. So the front camera on Gcam was very good, better than I expected, better than the regular camera app. Looking at the low light footage, right? The LG V60 regular camera app was better in my opinion. But lastly, let's look at the video. It's no question that the LG V60 has the better video with optical image stabilization. We all know that the Gcam ports doesn't take advantage of optical image stabilization. So I would tell you that you can't use Gcam for video, and you can't use this version of Gcam for portraits because it doesn't give you a good portrait shot, and you cannot use the Gcam for night sight because it was inconsistent when it comes down to the night footage. So here's my conclusion. Every time I do these Gcam videos, I run into problems with inconsistency and app crashing and stuff that just doesn't work. Portrait mode doesn't work, night mode doesn't work that well. So, I mean, look, every time I use these Gcam apps, everybody that send me these links tell me this is the best Gcam app. And every time I do reviews on these Gcam apps, I always get inconsistency. So here I am again saying this. The LG cameras are, to me, better than Gcam, especially when it comes down to overall consistency, portrait, video, nighttime. In my opinion, I believe that the V60 cameras is better than Gcam. Again, if you really want a very good Google camera, I would say grab a Pixel. Now you could get Pixels for relatively cheap prices, Pixel 5As, Pixel 4As and stuff like that, that would give you outstanding portraits. But the LG V60 got outstanding cameras, and the camera app that's in the LG V60 is next to none, one of my favorites. This is like the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG V60 and Gcam in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.